one of the latest little changes I made. You see, I opened the cage and now the wires are soldered directly and I can open it for the heater. It's easier than every time to have to open the whole cage and to do all these things. This printer has also been converted to a 3mm filament printer now, so that I can use all of my big amount of stock that I have in 3mm filament, and that's mostly ABS. So I changed the nozzle and made a little change here to the heat break. You don't see it at the time, but that's all a bit 3.2mm wide. And I exchanged the little PTFE tube inside of the heat break to do that. So there's no problem with temperatures for these filaments.